Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside the subscribe button that we always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Also, right underneath the video, there is a thumbs up. That's important on the YouTube platform. So if you're enjoying my content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up, and you'll be helping me grow on the YouTube platform. All right. Okay. Today, this is something new. We saw this when we went shopping at COSTCO, and we decided we would film this together to see if this is something as of interest to you as it is to us. So the name on the package says Tagiatelle. It's a grilled white chicken and Portobello mushroom sauce. I'll go through everything once we start, using the chef. Let him take his break when it's going in the microwave. I'll read you everything on the back of the package. But let's show you how easy this is to make. So this is my brother in the background. That's going to be the chef of the day. And he's going to instruct us everything that's going on here. So
I'm just cutting open the package.
Okay, he said he just cut open the package. We're going to remove everything that's inside here, and everything looks like it's separate. They have the noodles, they have the chicken, and it looks like it's already cooked pretty much. And then the last item is the actual sauce. Can you put it to the camera, the sauce, so they can see it up close? Perfect. Okay. All right. Now we're going to read the instructions on the back of the bag on how to make this.
No, it's just you place the pasta in the container, and then you spread the chicken on top, and then you just put the last thing, you pour the sauce on top.
Okay, so it's pretty simple. We're going to open up the package and pour the pasta in. And the pasta, does it feel dry, or does it feel, what does it feel like?
Regular.
No, like, is it?
It is dry.
Like, it's dry, or is it like fresh dry?
Fresh dry.
Fresh dry. Okay.
Chicken.
And he's opening up the package of chicken, and it looks like a lot of chicken. There's got to be at least, what, you think 2 chicken breasts in here?
No, it's one.
That can't be more than, it's got to be more than one.
All right.
Okay. Either way, it's a lot of chicken, and he just spreads that out.
And the last one, take the sauce.
Okay, show the package again, if you can. All right. And that's the sauce, and it just says Portobello, and it says shake well before opening. Give it a shake, shake, shake. And here we go. And this is how quickly this is to make this. Let's see. Probably just a couple of minutes to do the whole preparation, and then I think it says you leave it 8 minutes, and it's all microwavable, right?
Correct.
Yeah, so it's really like the simplest thing. When we saw the dish, and then we saw the instructions, we said we had to do this. Look how beautiful this is. And this is the mushroom sauce that he's pouring all over. It looks delish, even before it's made. Fantastic. All right. Okay, and the instructions on the back.
You just put a paper towel, 2 paper towels on top, cover it, and put it in the microwave for 8 minutes.
All right, so we're going to put the 2 paper towels on top. Then I'm going to show you putting it in the microwave, and then I'm going to read to them the back of the instructions, and then we'll try this new system that we have to... He doesn't want his face on camera, guys, so just bear with me. That's a microwave plate that we keep in the microwave. And then he's placing it with a splash cover on top of it, which is really just an extra step. And just putting it on for 8 minutes. All right, now I'm gonna read you the back of the instructions here. And then with this new thing that we put app on, we're going to hopefully be able to pause this and let you show the final product, because I'm not going to make you wait for 8 minutes. So this is, I should do it from this side. Okay, this says the brand is RANA. And like I said, this is the name of the product here. And it says, put all the ingredients in your bowl, and then it's 8 minutes, and then it is ready to serve. So it's everything that we showed you. It looks absolutely delicious. Like I said, this is from COSTCO, so this is huge. So it's 2 pounds. Let's see on the back here if it tells us anything more. So the story on this is Rena is born in Italy. He has a passion about making pasta for over 50 years, the finest ingredients. It's called the refrigerated pasta in Italy, which this dish, he wants to offer you the flavor of the kitchens of Italy. Now you'll have the ingredients all in one bowl so you can cook this delicious dish in minutes. Bon appetit. And let's just see what some of the information is that's here. So it says 1 serving is 1 cup. The calories are 270. And then it has 13 grams of fat, which is what we look at, but it also has saturated fat for 8. And then the cholesterol's here. The sodium is here for you guys. And then I'll give you the other side here. And then I will just quickly go through that you guys can see some of the ingredients of the sauce. And then you guys could freeze it to, pause your video so you can read all the ingredients there. So that's everything that's on the back of the package. And then I will see you guys when everything is ready and prepared. See you soon. Okay, here we go. It has been 8 minutes and we're now pulling the product out of the, I don't know if I got your face. I apologize if I did. All right, this here. And we're going to see the product right after the microwave. So this has been in the microwave solely for 8 minutes. And that was the splash guard. This is the paper towel. Can you show the other side? All right. And that's what it looks like before he does all his mixing. So.
No, I just take it out like this.
Why wouldn't you mix it?
I can mix it.
Okay, it's up to you. I mean, you're the chef. I don't want to tell you what to do. Is this not impressive? Can you believe this? So we ended up seeing it was actually on sale, right?
Yeah.
So we pay the normal price for this beautiful dish is only $9.99, and they were giving, I think, $3 off when we picked this up. So I mean, $7. I mean, that's unbelievable. And this, I think, is like you would serve 4 people with this at least. Do you think?
Yeah.
Okay. So probably would be easier with a pair of thongs or something. Tongs, I mean. All right.
That's it.
Okay. All right. And you don't need to taste it because we already did. This is a repurchase for us, so we absolutely loved it, and we wanted to make sure to share it with you guys. So if you have a Costco near you, I just wanted you to see how easy this was and how delicious this is. And we will see you again in our next video. Bon appetit. Bye for now.